This is our visual counting packing machine. We use camera to take the picture of the product. The program calculates the product area, then reflect quantity on the display screen. After reaching the preset quantity, it will stop blanking and start the packing machine. The accuracy of this machine is reached 0.03%. Let's see how it works.
The product will be sent on the counting hopper through automatic feeding machine. Then it will be separated through two vibration channels and falling down through CCD counting. After finished counting, the goods will be directly sent to packing machine. The packed products will be sent out directly by conveyor belt. The bag material is PE we use. It's very durable and not easy for damage. The sealing is from top and bottom. The width of bags within 100 to 450 mm. Length can be adjusted from screen.
The counting season can keep parameters of each product so that we can do fast changing items with one key to switch it.
For our standard machine, the size of counting items are within 2 to 15 mm, which in strong versatility in hardware fastener, plastic granule, and electronic components, etc.